Mastering idioms, understanding, lap the field. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting idiom, lap the field. This phrase might sound a bit puzzling at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in your conversations. Lap the field is an idiom originating from track and field sports. In races, when a runner is so far ahead that they pass the other runners a second time, they are said to have lapped the field. This expression has been adapted into everyday language to mean dominating a competition or field to such an extent that you are far ahead of others. To help you grasp this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, with its innovative technology, the company has lapped the field, leaving its competitors far behind. 2. In sports, the cyclist lapped the field effortlessly, securing her victory with a significant lead. 3. In academics, her research in renewable energy has lapped the field, making her a renowned expert worldwide. When using lap the field, remember, it's mostly used in contexts of competition or comparison. Avoid using it in situations where there's no element of progress or advancement. It implies a significant lead, not just a slight advantage. That's all on lap the field. We hope this video has clarified this idiom for you, and you feel more confident using it. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be lapping the field in your English language skills. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.